G'day guys, Joe here with my eldest Evan. Just thought I'd do a quick video. He's been showing a bit of interest in RCs, so we scoured the internet and it's arrived today. So check out what we got him. Thumbs up, Ev. Now I wanted to make sure I buy him something that's not going to wreck the first time, and it's not going to take 5 hours to charge and get 5 minutes run time. So hopefully we've done the right thing. The parts are readily available and they're cheap, so that's good. And I think it'd be a good first RC for him to learn on. So let's check it out, eh? What do you reckon, Ev? Alright. Flash hasn't done it. Alright. Are you excited, buddy?
Yes.
Let's open it. Oh. Stuff it. Let's rip it apart. Rip it, Ev. Ah, what's that? Oh, wow. What do you reckon, Ev? Alright, we're going to cut all this out and we'll show you when we're finished. Okay, this is what we got in. It's a HSP monster truck. It's nitro. Before you guys say you can't give your kids a nitro truck, I am going to kid-proof it. There's a few things that I've done to try and make it a lot slower and put a bit of a governor on it and stuff like that. The reason why we went nitro, didn't we, mate, is for longer run times, and he wants the sound as well. So, alright, do you want to open it, mate? Alright. Oh, oh, this is cool. It's your first car, isn't it?
Yeah. It's my first motor control car. Archie has two. Archie has two little cars, and I have a big one.
You got a big one, right.
And I just got a little one.
Guys, we'll just take it out of the box. Right, what it comes with, it comes with spare gears, some spacers, and aerial instructions and stuff like that, so that's pretty boring.
Boring?
Yeah, pretty boring. Now,
Alright, it is boring.
here's a remote control, guys.
Hey.
What do you reckon, Evla?
Oh, that's a big remote control car.
Ah, there's a little sort of a 2.4 gigahertz.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Now this was only $178 delivered, and we ordered it yesterday, and it come today. So one day, from all the way from Sydney. So it's pretty good for us.
Yeah.
Now here we go.
And Daddy got lots of remote control cars.
All right. Put this back. Ready for it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
That's big. That's huge.
Isn't it?
That is massive.
That's cool.
That's massive.
All these boxes. So that's it. Looks pretty good. Okay, so this is a little HSP. They call it a Tyrannosaurus.
Tyrannosaurus.
Yep. So there it is there.
A saurus.
The body needs lowering a bit, but I tell you, for the price, you can't go wrong, really. Now let's open up the things and tell you what it's got.
Yep. Dad, it's got that one.
Oh, sorry. Now, the body itself is a Lexan body. Looks pretty stylish. Looks like a F-150 truck.
It's like 50 per 100.
Yeah. Now, it is a 18 engine. Okay, these engines are very good. Now, it is a 1-speed. Well, that's good as well. Metal gears for 1-speed. I'll do a photo shoot of it, but it is a 1-speed. It did say it was a 2-speed on the thing, but I dare say it might have been a bit of a A bit of a typo there. But so far so good. It looks pretty good, mate. What we'll do a full run-in video of it, and to show you what it's all about and that. But I think this would be a good car for him to learn on. It's cheap to buy all the parts. They're only like $3 for a new set of arms and stuff like that. So, and he won't be going fast on it. It's got front 3 diffs, so front, rear, and middle. What else has it got? F. So that's it there. I think it's a bit of a copy of the HPI RS4, isn't it? You wouldn't know anyway, would you? But yeah, so that's the rear end of it. The wheels look very good.
And they look very big.
They do, don't they?
Yeah.
Wheels look very good there. Nice chrome wheels them, aren't they, mate?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. Very, very interesting. So, okay guys, that's the end of our little unboxing. Evan sort of can't wait to get going with it. You can tell because he's lost interest in the video. But hopefully you guys haven't. And if you like the video, please like at the end. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Alright guys, I'll see you later.
See you later.